Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Brilliant Box. Today I am going to discuss about temperature scales. Let's move. There are three temperature scales widely used for temperature measurements. They are the Celsius, Fahrenheit, and the Kelvin scales. First we will talk about Celsius scale. Do you know how Celsius scale has been formed? To scale the thermometer in Celsius, mainly we use two temperature points. Those are 100 degrees centigrade and 0 degrees centigrade. 0 temperature is marked at the temperature when pure ice melts into liquid water under pressure 1 atmosphere. Second point, 100 degrees centigrade is marked at the temperature when water vaporizes into steam under pressure 1 atmosphere. By using these 2 points, thermometer is scaled by dividing into equal 100 divisions. Now we will talk about Fahrenheit scale. Same as Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale too use melting point of ice and boiling point of water as two fixed points. But the difference between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale is, Fahrenheit scale melting point of ice is taken as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boiling point of water as degrees Fahrenheit, then accordingly temperature range between these two fixed points are divided into 180 divisions. Now we will look into Kelvin scale. Before we going to talk about Kelvin scale, we will talk about what is absolute zero temperature. British scientist Lord Kelvin showed that there is a minimum value to the temperature that any object can reach. The temperature, the measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles of a substance, is called the temperature of the substance. So the temperature of the object decreases when the kinetic energy of the particles decreases. When the kinetic energy of all the particles becomes zero, the temperature of the object reaches the absolute zero. The temperature of the object cannot be decreased below this value. The temperature at absolute zero was found to be minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. Note that this value is according to the Celsius scale. So the Kelvin scale 0 is marked at the absolute zero temperature. In Kelvin scale, 1 Kelvin temperature difference chosen to be equal to a temperature difference of 1 degree centigrade. According to the Kelvin scale, the melting temperature of ice is 273.15 Kelvin and the boiling temperature of water is 373.15 Kelvin. These temperatures are approximately taken as 273 Kelvin and 373 Kelvin. The international unit of measuring temperatures is the Kelvin. Since the difference between the Kelvin and Celsius scales lies only in the temperature chosen for their zero values, in order to convert a temperature measured in Celsius into the Kelvin scale, one only needs to add 273. In order to convert a temperature measured in Kelvin into the Celsius scale, one has to subtract 273. Now let's move to question and answer session. What is the formula to convert Celsius to Kelvin? K equals C plus 273, where K is the temperature on the Kelvin scale, C is the temperature on the Celsius scale. What is the formula to convert Kelvin to Celsius? C equal K minus 273. K is the temperature on the Kelvin scale. D is the temperature on the Celsius scale. Next question, the boiling point of a substance, Z, is 100 in Celsius. What is the boiling point value of Z in Kelvin, K? Let's look into solution. The equation we're going to use is K equals C plus 273, where K is the temperature on the Kelvin scale, C is the temperature on the Celsius scale. Therefore K equal 273 plus 100. Finally K equal 373. So the boiling point of Z in Kelvin is 373. Again, next question, convert 321 to centigrade. Solution, C equal K minus 273. Given temperature in Kelvin scale 321, therefore C equal 321 minus 273, so C equal 48 centigrade. Value of temperature in Celsius scale is 48. Final question is, a substance, A, boils at temperature 66.5 degrees centigrade and has freezing point at minus 60 degrees centigrade. Find freezing and boiling point of substance, A, in Kelvin. Solution. In order to convert Celsius scale temperature to Kelvin scale temperature, we use formula K equals C plus 273, where K is the temperature on the Kelvin scale, C is the temperature on the Celsius scale. Boiling point is K equal 273 plus 66.5, so K equal 339.5 Kelvin. Therefore the boiling point of A in Kelvin is 339.5. Freezing point is K equal 273 minus 60. K equal 213 Kelvin. Therefore, the freezing point of A in Kelvin is 213.